As the end of the year approaches, the air grows colder and the coastal winds bite at the edge of Cornwall's rugged shores. This is the time of year when the quiet, haunting beauty of Cornwall's wild landscape truly comes alive. Join me for a winter of wild beauty and magic in Cornwall. This morning I came to a coast path that stretches along a west-facing beach on the south coast of Cornwall. I came here because I am determined to keep improving my mushroom ID skills after my video down the lane, even if it is a slow process. And there are some very curious mushrooms here in this grazing field. But that's not all I found. 2 barn owls were hunting in the nearby valley. As the sun rose and the light turned from blue to golden, I was able to watch 2 barn owls hunting across the valley. I found the perfect nook to nestle in, right across the valley from where the barn owls are hunting. I've got my zoom lens with me and they are quite far away from me, so I'm not disturbing them at all where I'm sat.
In the winter of my heart, where the icy winds take hold again. When the skies are blue and gold, when my heart was yours to hold, and the winds that stay long forgotten
I'm here at Heligan Night Garden. This is the 3rd year that I've been here and I really love coming because the lanterns are of different wildlife, so I thought I would bring you along for the adventure. the lantern beavers, Heligan have actually introduced a male and female beaver onto their land, which they are hoping is going to help control the flooding in Gizzy.